What's up, everybody? My name's Curtis, and I'm gonna talk to you guys and touch up a little bit on Epic Trading and what happened with Epic Trading after the official launch. Now, there was a big run up to the official launch in September. Everyone could get in for about $20. They could check out the systems and everything. And then October is when we officially went live. Now, for those of you that don't know, Epic Trading is a company that offers a wide range of Forex trading resources. They offer classes and curriculum, basically a video series, homework series that you go through to learn the basics of Forex trading. They take you from A to Z on everything. Then they also have live classes where you can ask questions. You can, anything specific that you need to learn that you don't feel like you have a grasp on. They run you through the basically anything you want to do. And some classes are focused on certain things, but you can ask questions. And other ones are called study halls, where you can just go in and ask and answer questions. They hold these classes every single day. They also offer these trading, like live trading sessions, and they offer those three times per day at specific times. And so you can, no matter what time zone you're in, no matter where in the world you live, you have access to the little trading assist that not everyone can get to. So whatever time zone you're in, you can jump on the London session, the Tokyo session, or the New York session, basically. Now, on top of the live classes, the live trading sessions, where again they walk you through and you get to see trades and trade setups that these 5, 6, 7-figure Forex traders are earning, you also get the trade signals. Now, trade signals come in like live signals from these professional traders. They tell you what they're buying, what price they're setting it at, what they're selling, and when they're taking profit, when they're closing out trades, and basically helping you out learning the Forex market. And they're very successful at that. They post their weekly pip counts. And if you don't know what a pip is basically a unit of measure for profit or loss. They post their every single trade that these traders put out to us as consumers. Basically, they go in and they count up every trade, wins and losses included, and I don't believe they've ever been under 15,000 pips. Usually between 15,000 and 20,000 pips per week, which is pretty phenomenal. It is. It's very consistent. No one should claim that you can do this entire thing without taking a loss in a trade. They take losses every day, but they teach you how to mitigate your losses and maximize your profits so that you have at least a better chance of breaking even on a given trade than a 50-50 split win-loss. You're more likely to break even or win big, and losses are kept to a minimum. So it's really nice. They really teach you trade discipline. They really teach you how to manage your risk so that it's kept to a minimal state. So that's what Epic Trading is, basically as a service, as a resource. If you do the monthly subscription to Epic Trading, you get access to all of that stuff. And if you want to, you can just stop there. But they also have the extended service, the IBO, Independent Business Owner, where you refer customers, other people, to their service. And if you do that, if you get 3 referrals to the service, you can upgrade to become an IBO for $25 a month. But that very first step, 3 personal referrals, gets you the main service, which is $99 a month, absolutely free. So if Forex trading is something that you want to pursue or look at, this is the kind of service. I've looked at other Forex, trading services, Forex, universities, kind of stuff where they teach you and they guide you and stuff, and it's all well and good, but most of them, just on a basic level, are going to be more expensive. I've seen them for, you have to do an entire year straight if you want to even come close to the pricing that Epic does on a monthly basis. You're paying at least 25, 50, sometimes 100% more than what Epic offers you. But those services don't offer you the opportunity, if you want, to refer 3 people and get their service for free. Now, yes, it's multi-level marketing-ish kind of stuff. It's set up that way, but it's set up that way for a reason. And unlike other MLMs who charge you their business owner fee, and it basically just gives you a generic back office, same thing that everyone else gets, it's so much more than that. And that was explained a lot after the launch, or at the launch. It wasn't truly explained. Like in the beginning, you're like, okay, $100 to become a scholar, that's fine. An extra $25 to be an IBO, so I'm paying $125 a month. No, you're not. You don't even qualify to become an IBO until you get those 3 personal referrals. So they're not going to take that extra $25 a month out of your pocket until you are getting that $99 service for free. See what I'm saying there? You get 3, you qualify to become an IBO, and then you automatically don't have to pay that $99 anymore. So, and then step up to the next point of the compensation plan. Once you qualify as an IBO, you get your 3 free. Other people, anyone in your downline counts towards your pay scale. So anyone that you refer that gets a referral, those are added to your totals basically. And anyone above you who has their 3 personals filled, their additional referrals get placed under you or under one of the other people in their downline. So that if my sponsor Michael gets a new referral, he's got his 3, he puts them under me, I get credit for them and he gets credit for them. So it really is basically starting out, obviously it's going to be the roughest if you have 0, because you got 0. But as you get people below you and as you get help from people above you, it's just more people in your line working with you to add people below you. So it's really neat. They don't allow you to go super wide with your matrix. If you're familiar at all with how a lot of MLMs are set up, a lot of them you can go straight across the board. You get all the credit for people you refer, but then you're not really helping out the people below you. Epic limits you to 3 legs. They say you get 1, 2, 3. Those can be your 3 personals. And then after that, everyone else you bring into the company has to go underneath of one of the people that you've already signed up. So you get like a monster recruiter like the guy that I'm working with, and he's got hundreds. I forget how many exactly are in his downline, but he has to put any new referrals under somebody that's in his downline. Now, once, his first level gets their 3 personals, he has to skip past them. He can't just give them to the next person down. He's got to go all the way to the bottom to where any one of you starts out, and he plugs people in, and you get credit for it. I get credit for it. So, like I said, starting out might seem a little daunting, but you get the ball rolling a little bit. If you think you can get 3 personals, or that someone like me or my sponsor can help you get 3 personals within, a reasonable amount of time, once you get rolling, you're cooking with gas. Like I referred a guy, and he started, and he got his first referral, and then his first referral got 2, like boom, boom. Like he must have had 2 friends lined up ready to go, because my one referral turned into 4 people in the matter of like a week. So like that's just a prime example of, I referred one guy, he's in one of my downlines. He's a friend of mine, and he got 1, and then that person immediately got 2. So you're going to run into that. You're going to run into people that really get it and everything, and who just help you and build you and basically give you credit. Now, it's all about like teamwork here. So obviously you're not just going to sit back and not do any of the work, but it's nice knowing that it's a team effort and that everyone is contributing to this. Now, I wanted to touch on the IBO thing. Like I said before, a lot of companies charge you a fee for their IBO service, which a lot of times is just like a duplicate website where you keep track of your stats and everything. And, you know, you've got a couple flyers and everything, maybe. But Epic is doing something different. Once you qualify as an IBO, Epic opens up an entire platform of marketing services for you to use as part of your IBO fee. So it's not just, you know, a PowerPoint presentation. They have one. It's not just, you know, business cards or whatever the case may be that a lot of other companies do. They are giving you traffic funnels. They are giving you the right and ability to share Forex trades with your prospects. They are giving you an entire separate website and back office to utilize all these things. And I'm just going to look, because I had to write some of these down because there's just a lot. You get lead capture pages, you get a back office, you get a giveaway signals, you get social media engagement help, you get Facebook Pixel and Google Analytics. Now what does that mean? That means that whatever resources you use to get your product out there, YouTube, Facebook, you know, Google search, whatever tools you decide to use, they're going to tell you what's working, what's not going to work, and they're going to point you in the right direction. So that's super neat. And there's a ton of other stuff. They're doing text-based marketing, and other things are coming down the line. So all the resources that they have, let me tell you, if you go and try to piecemeal this together, you're going to be paying hundreds of dollars a month to do the stuff that they are giving you as part of your $25 fee. And keep in mind, you're paying that $25 fee, but you're also not paying the $99 scholar fee. Now that comes back into effect, just to be completely transparent. You do pay that $99 again, but only when you reach Founder 500, which is 10 total people in your downline, and you're making $500 a month off of them. So total, you pay $25 a month until you get to that first pay level, and then you're earning $375 because you're paying for the scholar fee again, and you're paying the $25 IBO, but you're pocketing $375. And that's just the first level. I'm not even going to go through all the levels of compensation because, you know, it's something you got to work for. It's something you got to work towards. But let me tell you, it can be life-changing income with a moderate amount of steady work. Because life-changing for anyone, like life-changing for me would be if I did this and I even just got like $2,000 a month. That's completely within the realm of possibility for me within the next couple of months. It really is. And like you see, I'm about to go into work now. I work a lot. I work 800 hours of overtime a year to make, you know, extra money basically. Now, how much less overtime would I have to work if I made $2,000 a month working with Epic? About half as much. And if I step that up to the $5,000 a month level, I wouldn't have to work any overtime to make exactly the same amount of money that I'm making, killing myself, working about 800 hours of overtime a year. It's something that if you join, you can learn the Forex trade. This is actually a MLM where the product is something that can actually help you make money, which is cool. Even if you did a $20 trade a day, 5 days a week, because the Forex market's open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, you can make $100 a week. You could pay Like, even if you just broke even on the scholar part and didn't trade very much, you made $5 a day trading, you could make back your entire subscription doing one trade, $5 a day for the 20 trading days in a month. It's crazy. It really is. So it's really a great value for anyone that wants to come in. And another reason it's a really great value is because the team I am with, he's a marketing guru. He really is. So he's bringing additional resources to us, both free and paid, that you can use to be completely unique in the epic trading space. Like, we get access to all the epic trading stuff, all the epic traffic funnels and everything like that. But we also, in our group, get access to everything that he has. And he's got a wide range of things for anyone of any budget. You can go the completely free routes, which is what I'm doing. You can, and what my plan is as I start reaching the higher pay levels, I will start investing in the other tools to build my team. Because to me, my philosophy is retention matters. Retention is what counts. I don't care if I get 1,000 people and hoard them all to myself. If they're not being helped, if I'm not helping you and you're not seeing results, what are the chances that you're going to stay? So my personal strategy for this is you need 3 people, 3 personal signups, and that qualifies you for every single level of the pay scale. Once I get my 3 personal signups, then any other signups I have, I can just give to people in my downline. So the person in my second leg right now, I've got my 3. This person in my second leg, I can start giving them direct signups. Because anyone that signs up, you got 24 hours to place them somewhere. So if the person in my second leg needs one more sign up to get their 3 personal, qualify for the IBO, get access to all the marketing tools, who benefits if the person in my downline gets access to the same marketing tools that I have access to from Epic? They do. Who else? Me. Who else? Mike, my sponsor. Everyone benefits if everyone succeeds. So the way I am strategizing my downline is I am immediately helping people in order as they sign up. So I've got, 4 people on my downline that need help right now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 1 still needs help. 1. Number 3 still needs help. 1. And I'm going to go down the line and I'm going to help every single person build a team, which is what we have. We have over 200, it might be close to 300 people in a group chat helping each other out every single day. And it's awesome. It's great. And I want you guys to join us. And anything that I have access to, my sponsor, you're still part of his team. He wants everyone that we recruit to be part of his team and to have the same access to the same tools that he's giving us. So it's really awesome. And so we've touched on everything. And they also, one more thing that I wanted to touch on that they talked about after the launch was pay. Everyone asked, how do you get paid? Do you have to wait for a check? Blah, blah, blah. There's a bunch of different ways. You get paid weekly. I think you can get it sent to your bank. You can get a check in the mail. But what they have that's really cool is you can sign up for basically what is a debit card that is directly linked to your account. So you have instant access to the money every single time you get paid. Now that's cool. I think that's awesome. Like, you can just basically treat that as your Go money. You can use that card that you can sign up and get a virtual card, or you can get a hard copy card, which is definitely what I'm doing. And then you can just start charging it, and if there's other tools that you found, like my sponsor gives us access to free tools, and he's bringing along all this other stuff that can really help build your business really strongly. That costs a little bit of money, but it's like, hey, you don't have the money? Understand, don't worry about it. But my strategy is, as I rank up, as I'm making more and more monthly, I'm not taking a dime out of this until I reach at least Founder 5,000, which is $5,000 a month. Until then, I'm going to be putting all that money into building my tools, building my team, and helping out my downline. Because if you sign up with me, I want you to stay and I want you to make money with me. I don't want you to go anywhere. If you leave, then, you don't count for me anymore. So what good are you? I want to help you make money, and I don't want to ever get somebody involved with something, me telling them, oh, I can help you make money, or, I can't make any income promises, but what I can promise you is that if you work as hard as I do at this, we will build this together and we will make some money. So check out my link below. I've got a couple different. You can watch a quick video. If there's any other questions, click on the video, watch the video. It's about 9 minutes long, probably shorter than mine is, but it's very succinct, to the point about stuff that you have questions. Watch that video, send me an email, or sign up. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go. Let's get this. All right, guys? Thanks. I'll talk to you later.